Have you ever heard about Kashmir's bread? Have you ever heard the name? You can't believe it. You just can buy one of these breads in Iran with just 1 cent. Watch this video till the end. I want to teach you how to bake one. Hello everybody! Today I want to teach you how to bake a delicious bread. So, like the video right now. And if you're not a member of this channel, join it and let's go! In beginning, water the pot. I'll write the exact recipe for you in the description part too. Add some salt. Then add some yeast. Now it's time to add flour into our pot. We use bakery flour for this. The only difference with European flour is its extraction rate. Our flour's extraction rate is 85%. At the end, dredge more flour in order to get a better shape. We must let our paste rest, cause it's not elastic yet. Here is the maximum elasticity and it sticks to your hands. You must wash it in order to clean your hand. But don't worry, if your paste is like this, you have done everything correctly. I can get rid of it. For resting the paste, you'd better cover it with cellophane. After 1 hour passed, let's see how elastic is our paste. Look how elastic it is. That's because of 1 hour rest. Now, you can grab a piece of the paste and shape it like that. If you like, you can add some flour while you are shaping it for a better taste. If you feel that your paste is too much sticky, you can add some flour to it to get rid of it. Now, you have to narrow the paste and put it into oven. If you don't have it at home, you can put it in this stove and till you see the bowls like this. You can also bake this bread in a pan too. Now our bread is ready, but you need to do some more things. But in general, you can bake this bread easily. Now look at it, look at the bubbles, and it's almost done. It has a delicious taste. That's why I suggest you to bake it at home. Use it before you lose it. How was it up to now? Did you learn how to bake it? Write in the comments and I will read and answer it. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Don't leave the video. I have a suggestion for you. If you want to learn how to bake this delicious bread, watch this video.